Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm going over your top cooking tips from us here at Don's Appliances. Our first one is our 25 and 25, probably our most important rule there. So we're gonna drop 25 degrees or 25 minutes, depending on what we're cooking, to ensure from bake to convection that it comes out perfectly. Our second one is to pat our proteins or our food dry before we cook them or sear them to ensure a great caramelization and crust on it and to keep all those juices in. Our third one is to take our food, whether it be proteins or vegetables, out of the refrigerator for at least 15 to 20 minutes, have them get to room temperature and get the chill off them. Next is preheating our pans. I know it's something that a lot of people miss. You want to really preheat the pans, even have them seasoned if they're brand new to ensure they don't stick and you get a proper sear on it. The next one is, convection bake versus regular bake. So it really deals with that airflow and, the amount of temperature that you use. We want to drop it 25 from convection to regular bake. So that's circulation of air. The next one is rack placement. So if we're doing multiple trays like cookies and things like that, we want to make sure when our oven's cold to adjust our racks to a certain height that we need to really get in that sweet spot and don't overload the tray with what we're making. Next one is extra low simmer. So if you look at your range, depending on the make and model, you want to use the lowest eyed burner. This will help not burn chocolate, keep Alfredo sauce at a temperature that it won't break. Delicate things like hollandaise. The next one, we're going to go to the total opposite. We want the big sear burner. So this is the fisheye or the center burner. This is really where you're going to put your largest, skillet, to pan sear, kind of do that bacon and do everything and get the proper heat for it. The next one is the option for the grill pan. It can be assorted and even put it in here. This is ideal for your French toast, ideal for your bacon, breakfast items, even melts and sandwiches. So think about that as a great other option. The next one is our roast probe, which is, internal cooking temperature. We got to cover 50% of it, but this is worry-free cooking for the right corrective times for proteins and vegetables and to reheat something. All right, this wraps up our cooking tips and tricks. Hope this helps you optimize all your appliances here at Don's and get cooking the right way.